So I just purchased these 3 cast iron skillets. I really, really like them. I've already used them multiple times, but they come in so handy. I like that you can actually use these in the oven, on the stovetop, or the grill. So you just, I baked some cookies. I've fried some fish, and each time I'm just really impressed on how well they've cooked. They cook really evenly, and that's a hard thing to do in some pans. Sometimes you don't get that even cook, so it really makes it nice. It has this really nice grip, and I really like this. If you're trying to drain anything that's in your pan, it has these little drain slots right here, and it's really nice that it has it on both sides, and it has it on each pan, so that really is really cool. It does not come with lids, but hey, I'm okay with that. I don't really use lids, and if I do, I have tons of lids available. They also come pre-seasoned, so you don't have to worry about seasoning these when you get them. But one thing to note is each time you use these, after you use them, you want to make sure they're all dry and pre-season them again. Just wipe some vegetable oil on them, and they'll be ready to go. Also, they're not recommended for the dishwasher, so you don't want to put them in the dishwasher to keep them safe. You don't want them to rust out, so that's a really good recommendation. Now, let me go ahead and give you the measurements. This is a 6-inch, 8-inch, and a 10-inch. So I love all these sizes. You can use them with multiple ways. One thing that also is recommended that you use plastic or wooden. So stay away from metal when you're using these, and you're good to go. Also comes with this instruction. I really thought this was really helpful. It has instructions on usage, and really it gives you some really good tips on here. So I really recommend these cast iron skillets, and I hope you found this helpful.